Hello everyone, welcome back. So in my previous video, we explored how to create an email template in Salesforce, and in this part, we will take it a step further and learn how to create a custom letterhead in Salesforce. A well-designed letterhead adds a professional touch to your templates and enhance your brand identity. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you will have a personalized letterhead ready to use in your communication. So let's get started. First, click on this 9 dot and just type email templates. Not only you can reference the field values, but you can also add the links, upload the image or give the image URL. You can change the formatting of your email templates. Bullets are also allowed. Also the formatting of the email template, everything can be controlled by this particular box. So now we will talk about the letterhead. Let's suppose as a company you would want a header and the footer of the email to resonate with your brand image. So let's suppose I am working for the consulting corp company, and the company wants to display the brand logo and a note at the bottom of the email template. So how they can add the information to the email template? That can be added by creating a letterhead. So let's take a look at how you can create a letterhead. So in the app launcher, type in letterhead and click on enhanced letterheads. For creating the new letterhead, the process is very simple. Just click on the new button. So for example, the company is a consulting corp. So I will define the letterhead name as the consulting corp letterhead. Now the same letterhead can be used across the different email templates that are created in the system. And you can define the header and the footer of the email template. For example, in the header of the email, I would want an image of my company to be shown as the brand image. So how can I add it? Just click on this icon, click on browser upload, click on upload image, select the image. Now the image has been added, and I will change the alignment so that it is center aligned. And now in the footer, I will copy the text and paste it in the footer of the letterhead and just click on save. Basically what you are doing is, on the email templates you are defining the subject and the body of the email template, and on the letterhead you are defining the header and the footer of the email template. And now we can attach this letterhead to the follow-up email template that we have created in the system. So now navigate back to the follow-up email template, click on the 9 dots and search for email templates. Click on email templates. And now on this follow-up email template, we can attach the letterhead that we have just created, so that anytime a user is attaching this email template, automatically the header and footer will be populated. So to attach the letterhead with this email template, just click here and select the letterhead and click on save. So we have created our letterhead. Now let's take a look at how this email template can be used by a representative. So now it's time for us to test. So navigate to the sales application. And let's navigate to the contacts. Now you can open an existing contact, or if you have your own contact created, just search for it. And if you do not have your own contact created, you can just click create it by clicking this new button. Type your first name, your last name, and specify your email address. and just click on save. So I will search for my contact. I have created this Salesforce admin contact, and now I will straight away jump to the activity component, and there is an email button. So click on the email button, and now instead of creating the email from scratch, I can use a predefined email template in Salesforce to communicate with the contact person. So how I can tie that email template? Below there is a button called insert, create or update email template. So please click on it, and you can specify which particular template you want to use. So after selecting, click insert. Now you will see the branding, that is letterhead, email body, note, which is letterhead again, and just click on send. Now you will see a follow-up email has been sent to the contacted person. So I have specified the correct email address, and I have received an email, and I click on the email. So the system has automatically pulled the information from the contact record, full name of the person, Salesforce administrator, and the email body, and the regards, the owner of the record, Anuja Rani. So this is how you can create an email template and letterhead in Salesforce. So I hope this walkthrough was helpful and gave you an confidence to design the professional and effective email templates and letterhead. So if you have any question or suggestion, just feel free to drop them in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Salesforce tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.